Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I want to show you how you can make a whole lot of money on Binance through Binance Flexible Savings. Now, what is Binance Flexible Savings? Binance Flexible Savings is a process whereby you put in some certain amount of money determined by you into Binance flexible savings, and that money will keep yielding you daily interest. Okay, now how much will you make from this particular flexible savings will be determined by the amount of money you actually put into this business. Okay, now I'm going to say this. The beauty of Binance flexible saving is that you can decide to withdraw your profits and your capital at any given time. That's, I'm talking about Binance flexible savings. And mind you, I will advise you basically to invest more on stablecoin. Okay, now what you do is this: when you get to your main interface, you look up here and you see where it says N. You can see where it says N up here. Then you click on Binance N. Okay, now when you click on Binance N, it's going to take you to that interface. So like I rightly told you, you can see here where we have all kinds of coin right here. Okay, but for this, these are all locked coin. You can see they are all locked coin. Okay, but remember, we are going to put our focus on flexible coin, right? We're going to put our focus on flexible coin. So what we're going to do is that we're going to look for flexible savings. Okay, like you can see, IOST is locked. This locked means that you will have to leave your coin or your money in this kind of staking for 120 days before you'll be able to take out your money. Okay, but this is what we'll be paying our attention to. This is BUSD flexible savings. This BUSD is flexible because you can decide to take out you can decide to redeem your profits and your capital at any given time. Okay, that is the beauty of flexible savings, and that is what I pay more of attention to, BUSD. So what we do is this: for this BUSD, we come up here and we click on subscribe. Right, let's click on subscribe. Now we click on subscribe. It's going to load and it's going to take you to the interface where you are going to put in the amount of money that you feel you are comfortable to invest in. Right, okay, so this is the interface. On this interface, now this is the interface. This is the interface for flexible staking. Okay, you can see all this here now are flexible staking. You can see ASX is giving us 20% APY. You can see BUSD is giving us 10% APY. Cake is giving us 12% APY. DREP is giving us 5% APY. You can see Wave is giving us 20% APY. But the reason why I will not advise you to go on this 20% APY, this 20% APY, is because these are coins that can fluctuate. They are very volatile, so you can in the process lose your money. Right, you can in the process lose your money. But if you should put your money into BUSD here, you cannot lose your money whichever way the market goes. Whether the market dips or the market appreciates, you cannot lose your money. Because why? This is a stable coin. Right, so we are going to go with this stable coin. Okay, so we are going to click on subscribe here. So when you click on subscribe here, it's going to bring us to this interface. Now this interface shows us how much you have in your Binance account. Now before you do this flexible savings, you must have put in money into your account, into your BUSD account. Okay, like in my case here, you can see I have 0.9592479. I'm just using this to show you on this tutorial because I've actually staked my coin on other places on Binance. So I'm just using this little capital here to show you how you can do your flexible savings. Okay, So in this case now, what you're going to do, you're going to put the amount of BUSD that you want to stake here. Let's assume you want to do 5,000. You put 5,000. You put 5,000 BUSD, which is equivalent to $5,000. Hope you know that, okay? If you're going to do 10,000 BUSD, you put in 10,000 BUSD, okay, which is equivalent to $10,000 now. Now, if you should put in that amount of money, that 5,000 BUSD, right? You'll be getting this amount on a daily basis. You can see my cursor here. You'll be getting 0.9863013 BUSD every day, irrespective of where the market goes to. This is what you'll be getting every day. Every day you keep getting this. You keep getting this. So whenever you feel you are okay, or whenever you feel you just want to redeem your coin, you can go ahead and redeem your coin at any given time without any kind of delay from anyone. Okay, so let me just use this my balance here as an example. I'm going to click on max here. Okay, you see I click on max. When I click on max, it tells me that for the numbers of coin that I have here, this is what I'll be taking as interest every day, 0.002628. You can see this is what I'll be getting every day. So that is the beauty of it. So definitely you're going to make money every day from this particular process. Okay, now I want us to do a calculation here. Let's bring out our calculator, and we're going to check how much we'll be making, assuming we are putting let's say $10,000 into this particular flexible savings. Let's say we put in $10,000. This is $10,000. Then you now say times 0.10%, because it's 10%. You can imagine you'll be getting $1,000. Okay, $1,000. That is divided by 360, right? So we're going to go to divide by 360 days of the year, because the APY is actually for a year. Okay, so you can imagine every day you'll be getting $2.7 every day. Every day you'll be getting $2.7 every single day. You'll be getting, you get $2.7, assuming you put $10,000 in here. Let me put in the $10,000 in here. So you can see it's a decent profit, because this thing is far better than you just leaving your money in the bank, right? It's far better than you leaving your money in the bank. You can see the estimate. You can. This is the estimate. Okay, if you put in $10,000, right? If you put in $10,000 based on this particular calculation, that is what you'll be getting every day, right? So I really want to advise you to do this, and you assure yourself of making income every day from Binance flexible savings. Okay, now if this is something that actually interests you, okay, I want to advise you to go ahead with it, and remember to like this video, okay, and subscribe to this channel, and you're going to get subsequent valuable videos from me. Okay, so after putting all this, we put in the numbers of amount you want to do here. You just come down here and click on this, right? You see, then you just click on confirm. Okay, so in my own case, I'm just going to click on confirm here now. Okay, you can see then it's going to process. It's processing. You can see it's processing. Then after it's fully processed, automatically by this time tomorrow, I'm going to get this certain amount of money, this 0.00002628 tomorrow. So on a daily basis, I'll be getting this particular amount of money, right? And that is the beauty of it. That is just the beauty of it. Already I've subscribed to this already now. Okay, I've subscribed for it already. So that is just how to earn from Binance savings. Okay, I hope you got value from this, and remember to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. Thank you, and bye bye for now.